kids, it's time to play. We're splashing colors all the way. With brushes, buckets, and rainbow spray, let's paint the world bright today. Red is the color of apple, so sweet. Fire trucks zooming on the street. Paint the roses and hearts so wide. Red brings the love we feel inside. Blue is the sky, so high and true. Splish, splash, waves in oceans too. Paint the whales and the blueberry pie. Blue makes the clouds float by. Yellow's bright like the shining sun. Bees will buzz when the day's begun. Paint the stars and lemonade. Yellow is a sunny parade. Green is grass and leaves on trees. Caterpillars crawling in the breeze. Paint the frogs and peas so small. Green is nature's color for all. Orange is pumpkins and sunset skies. Tigers too with stripy ties. Paint some carrots and marigolds. Orange is bold and brave and bold. Purple grapes in a juicy bunch. Wizards wear it when they munch. Paint the fairies and royal gowns. Purple's the color of magic towns. Red and blue and yellow too. Mix them up, what a colorful crew. With green, orange, purple, yay! We've made a rainbow in our play. Thanks for joining the color bash. We've had fun with every splash. See you soon for more to learn. Now it's your turn, paint and turn.